Slapstick cartoon animation videos are absolutely taking over YouTube and TikTok right now. These funny cartoon stories pull insane metrics because the comedy keeps viewers watching until the very end to see what happens next. This niche is highly monetization friendly. Take a look at this channel with nearly 4.9 million subscribers. A single video here cleared over 10 million views. Most creators have no clue how these are made, so let's break down the exact step-by-step workflow. For this method, we're using a specific master prompt inside standard ChatGPT that automatically engineers 10 distinct comedy concepts along with the exact frame and video prompts for a 5-scene timeline. If you want a copy of this layout text, just comment prompt below. For this guide, I'm locking in idea number 1. As you can see, ChatGPT has mapped out all 5 scenes completely ready for production. One more important thing. Before you paste prompt, make sure to change characters of your liking so you can stay unique, not copy-paste channel. First, copy the scene 1 image prompt and open Google Flow. Paste it and select Nano Banana 2 as your base model and hit generate. The quality looks like a pristine frame right out of a professional studio cartoon. Now click Add to Prompt to lock in this exact art style. Copy the scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT and render it. Repeat this chain until all 5 frames are saved. Now, let's turn these frames into a fluid animation sequence. Go back to ChatGPT and grab your scene 1 video prompt. Head into Flow, open your first image asset and click Animate to anchor it as your start frame. Set your properties to a 9:6 framing layout. Select the premium Omniflash engine, paste your prompt and render. We'll do the exact same process for scene 2. Open the image, hit Animate, paste the video prompt and let the engine calculate the motion path. Once all 5 scenes are generated, download your files and open your favorite editing software like CapCut to combine them sequentially. Let's look at the final result together. Smooth camera tracking, clean character expressions, and cinematic timing, all built by AI in a few minutes. You can run this loop endlessly for unlimited storylines. If you want to create a continue sequence, there will be a link in description. Use that same method. Drop a like if this breakdown helped you out, comment on what niche we should crack next, and hit subscribe so you never miss the next workflow.